Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today is one of my favorite videos to film here on my channel. It is my June Stitch Fix unboxing. So for those of you guys who have been here before, you all know the drill. I'm going to be trying on and showing you guys the items that I got in my June Stitch Fix unboxing. And for those of you who are new here, Stitch Fix is a subscription clothing service that I get about once a month where you get 5 items of clothing selected for you by a personal stylist. You can try on and see what you like, send back what you don't, and I'm a big fan. Big fan. So let's go ahead without further ado and jump right into what I got. I feel like Pippi Longstocking with these braids today. So Stitch Fix, like I mentioned, sends you 5 items of clothing that you can get every month, twice a year, or sorry, quarterly, twice a month, weekly, bi-weekly. There's a lot of options of how frequently you can get the items. I tend to get them about once a month, which works really well for me, so that way I kind of have time in between and it doesn't charge me a whole ton of money. So with that being said, the first item that we got is pretty typical for most Stitch Fix, and that is a pair of jeans. These are actually pretty cute. They're just a very basic, stretchy blue denim with a couple of rips. They're cuffed down here at the end. I feel like I've gotten a pair like this before. I don't think the brand was the same, but their denim can be hit or miss for me. These are a size 25 in the style Berlin Girlfriend Distressed Jean in indigo size 0 from 1822 denim. So these are pretty cute. They look a bit high-waisted. They definitely have that like boyfriend jean vibe to them, which normally I don't go for, so we'll have to try these on per the usual and see what I think. Next we have, ooh, this is cute. Okay, so they've sent me stuff from this brand before, and I will say I do like them. This is really cute though. Okay, so we've talked before on my channel about how I have a thing with getting blazers. They've sent me a lot, and I'm wondering now as I'm saying that, I did put a request in for more work attire a while back, and since then they've sent me so many blazers. So I think I'm gonna have to maybe nix that and put in another request, but this is a really beautiful like soft baby pink with this really cute design on the inside blazer. It looks super comfortable. It's very stretchy. The sleeves kind of have this like tulip detailing on the ends, and this is the Skies Are Blue Hannah Model Scuba Blazer in blush size small. I don't need another blazer, but this one is really cute. So we'll try it on, we'll see what I think. You all know the drill. Next we have, what is this? Interesting. Okay, so this is like a tunic-y type top. It's got the little bow in the front, very loose, very light, kind of linen-y feeling. Not too see-through, surprisingly, which is pretty good. And this is the West Keel Julienne tie front blouse in black size small. Now, personal preference, I will say I'm not a huge fan of the front tie just off initial try on or like looking at this, but it's a cute style. It is something different, and as always, that's one of my favorite things about Stitch Fix is just getting things that you wouldn't normally try on yourself. So we'll give this a go, see what I think, and I'll be trying it on at the end of the video, as always. Next we have, oh, this is kind of cute. This does look like something my mom would wear though. Not that that's a huge deterrent, but it's kind of a deterrent. You know what I mean? I think you know what I mean. So this is a sleeveless like navy and gold, is that gold or no, silver top. It's very lightweight, very stretchy in the back, but then has kind of that linen-y front, you know what I mean? Super cute. I think it would be really nice for the summertime. It does look a little big, like I'm trying to think of how to wear this so it wouldn't look so square on me, because as we've talked about here on my channel, I have the body like a martini glass. High, like structured on the top, skinny on the bottom. It's a thing. So I'd probably tuck this into like a pair of jeans or some shorts just so it's not so square, you know what I mean? You guys can see what I'm talking about? And this is the Fortune and Ivy lightened zip detail mixed material blouse in navy size small. So cute. Not totally in love with it, but we'll see when I try it on. Okay, and last but not least for this box, oh, this is cute. Interesting. So this is a very lacy top. It's really hard to tell on camera what this looks like. Let me see if I can like put my arms through so you guys can see. Like super lacy detailed front top, and then it goes down lower in the back, which is like super hard to tell. Oh, there you go, you can kind of see. This is really cute. Very like almost like a going out night possibly, like, but a little more formal. Definitely could wear this for work if it's not too low cut in the back. It's very sheer though, like very sheer. You guys can see maybe through a little, I don't know. It's very sheer in person though. This is really cute though, and it's definitely different from what I normally would wear, but this is the 41 Hawthorne Jared Lace Detail Cap Sleeve Blouse in black size small. So cute. I'm into it. I think, again, as always, this will be how it looks on my body, but I'm intrigued by this one. Definitely intrigued for sure, and it's a little bit longer too, which is nice. So yeah, there you go. And that is everything. So let's go ahead and jump into the try-on section. Hi friends, so standard try-on portion of the video. I've got two of the items on right now, the navy blue tank top and the jeans. The jeans I'll start with by saying I'm not a huge fan of. I think I'm so used to high-waisted jeans now, and these just hit in just such a like awkward place on me. They feel very low-rise even though I know they're not. I'm just, like I said, really used to more high-waist jeans, and the tank top I actually really like. It's really comfortable. It's got this stretchy material in the back. It's cute. I can't tell if it makes me look square. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments below. I feel like it fits me pretty well though. But yeah, the length on the denim as well too is pretty great. It goes down to just above my ankle, but like I said, it fits well, but I'm not a huge fan of where like the waistline sits, so probably going to be sending these back. Alright, next item in the box is something I'm also definitely going to be sending back. This was the striped tie front shirt from earlier, and I'm not a fan. I feel like this just is not sitting well on me. It looks very like awkwardly shaped on me. I don't like the bow because I feel like anytime I move it kind of goes like up and down, and then it kind of like raises up here in the front. I'll make this short and sweet. I'm not a fan. Alright friends, last two items in the box. I can already tell you this one is probably going back as well. This was the lace detail shirt, and I was kind of hoping the sleeves would come down a little bit more. I feel like it just makes me look super square and boxy, and I'm just not a fan. It's got this lace detail in the back that you guys can hopefully see, but overall the shape of it I feel like just isn't very flattering on me. So again, sending it back. Last item we got here in the box was this beautiful blush pink blazer, and this I'm actually not too mad at. Again, I just don't really know if I need another blazer in my wardrobe, but I really do like this blushy pink color, and it sits pretty good. It's comfy, it's kind of stretchy. You guys might have to tell me about this one, what you think. So let me know down in the comments below which items you liked, which ones you think I should send back. As always, I really appreciate your guys' opinion, and there you have it. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed the try-on portion of this video. That is everything that I got in my Stitch Fix for the month of June. As always, please let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorite, which ones do you think I should keep, which ones do you think I should get rid of. I love to hear from you guys. It's my favorite. So subscribe to see more of my face, and as always too, check in the description box below for a code where you guys can get $10 off your own Stitch Fix if you go ahead and order with the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!